Day 2 Polecat. We're gonna see what, well, we can't see what this does because this is already blown. It looks pretty out here, like, you can still like the car. But we're gonna get it fixed. We'll be running Casey's car. Michael's gonna drive both of those cars. See what Day 2 brings us. We don't blow nothing up.
Don't suck. That product. Where are your pants? What?
I said shit, we done bend the wheel.
What happened?
We hit a dip on the last turn on the track. The dip was bad. We lucky we didn't bend the wheel, but you can see what we got rocks inside the bead.
Nice.
We're gonna try it again in a few minutes.
Free grass cutting.
Yes! I love it! Thank you so much!
We love working with these guys. They're willing to put new engines into new cars, and we like that because everybody does the same cookie cutter thing, and a lot of times it's because it works. Creativity can be this way, you know. But it's nice to have people like us. We go, hey, we like this engine. Let's see if it sticks, and then that's what they're doing with the Vortec 4200. So love it. This made sense when Micah told me, but when he was driving it, it sounded wound out.
Yeah.
So, because like a JZ or an LS, like, wow, you know, it has like a singing, right? But then this one was, it had like a down tone.
Yeah.
But he told me that the turbo was too small. Half of it sounded good, and it had the down tone, which is where the turbo was given.
Left of the boost control line broke. Spike.
Yeah.
Over boost.
still not back at it. He shut the truck down. Came into the corner, and then he was like, yeah, boof. And then like all of this smoke came from the front of his car. It's like shifting gears, and his screen said danger to manifold, and he was like, shut up! Slammed it down and like shifted a next gear, and it
cruising. When I'm with you, then I'm losing.
yeah, no, it's cool. Dude, no way. Yeah. You can go the whole thing. Yeah. It's hilarious. Yo, I was on it. You got Spy Hunter, dog, just like smoke screen. You couldn't see nothing, huh? No. I was feeling the car too. I was like, oh, this car's dog.
Real stepper, check the shoes, get it poppin'. Eating good, feeling good, where my hobby.
What's going on, peoples?
So I guess apparently we got good luck with boost controllers today. We melted the lines on this boost controller. The only good thing is that we didn't blow the motor up like that one over there. Gotta fix it. Got an oil, coolant leak right here. Boost controller melted all the lines. You see right here, right here, right here. Once it gets fixed, we be good. Motor's still good though. Reliable. N54.
What's going on?
It's hot. Went off course because my helmet came up and blocked my eyes on a back heave. And ran my front bumper over. Car still runs, still good. New tires. It's the only car running now.
The whole weekend.
Hey, the whole weekend it made it.
The whole weekend.
Listen, it's a W if you can drive it on the trailer, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly. See?
W.
See.
High five, 4200.
High five.
High five.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah.
It's still on your chin.
Hey guys, it's everybody's favorite intern here at the game.
What's up, guys? We just blew up 2 cars. Thanks to Micah.
Well, one car.
Open the window, turn on the air. Do we have rear air? Open the hatch. Turn on the wipers.
Polecat.
Polecat.
11 out of 10.
10 out of 9.
Hey, both cars went in the trailer, no problem.
Dope event.
It was good.
Shout out to Chase Bay.
It was a success.
Family.
Success.
It was successful.
Mike has showed that FDF can make 100-degree turn.
All day. Both cars.
Both
Yeah.
cars.
Both cars.
Overall, what do you think about the Vortex?
The Vortec, I don't have an opinion because
can't
we
say
just
it.
couldn't. We just didn't really get to drive it.
Version 1 isn't.
Version 1.
Testing.
Yeah.
The wastegate tubes melted, okay, and the motor was throwing codes the whole weekend, and I ignored it, and I said,
Then jerk the manifold.
we're
off
gonna
the
we're gonna
safeties.
drive it. Take the safeties off. We're gonna drive it, and yeah, it was stupid because we just didn't look.
We didn't pay attention enough.
We
Yeah,
were
we're so
we were
hyped
just
up.
excited.
We're so hyped up.
we're excited.
Full
we're
send.
stoked,
Full
and
send.
we have another motor at the shop. Well,
Yeah.
Casey has another motor at the shop. I have 2 in Cali, so you
Yeah.
got one of mine. I owe you one now. But
right. Right. Keep it up.
4200 was good though. Like once it's all sorted, it's gonna
I
be
think
good.
so. I
It
think
has
so.
a lot of potential. Obviously, it's been done.
Yeah,
You've seen it.
yeah,
The drag
we've seen
racers
it,
do it. But yeah, I mean, with it being rushed, it's kind of just some things
Yeah,
get
I
looked
know.
over, then we get hyped up, and then we're like, we're just gonna drive it anyway. So
Send
it actually you filmed it getting on the trailer, right?
Yeah.
So you saw it still ran. It's
Hey,
on like 2 cylinders.
One thing I learned that a hurry job is a worry job. But hey,
That's
Hey,
We
hey,
can put that on
hey,
t-shirts for y'all.
Yeah.
But this is why we take time on our jobs,
Yeah, we
making
can't-
sure everything is right.
yeah, we can't sell products until it's tested. Right now, it's kind of like, we can sell it, but,
Before AK releases the product to you guys,
I want to make
I
sure.
want to make sure it's solid.
Yeah.
It's a good thing. These aren't products that are just made
Wanna make money.
overseas.
Want to
And,
make money and
yeah,
just
and like,
whatever.
buy more from us.
Yeah.
No, it's actually
We want
tested and
to make sure that it's all good. Adapter, we figured that out. Tensioner worked great.
yeah. This guy built an intake manifold, an exhaust manifold. He
Oh
built
my
a
God.
freaking downpipe. He built engine mounts, an
Oil
oil
pan?
pan, oil pickup
3
tube.
weeks.
Adapter
And all he
plate.
could talk about is a
Tensioner.
stupid tensioner. The whole
Hey,
weekend.
man.
The tensioner worked.
Tensioner worked.
The tensioner worked.
From a lesson, some
it
tensioner if
failed.
you don't put right,
It
it
failed.
just shred like. Oh man, it shredded.
It worked. It worked
worked.
though. It was a success.
The tensioner.
Success.
It was successful.
It was a
Success.
success.
Robot works.
All of it was great. Once the car, new motor in it, go back over all the boost lines, then we could really figure out, and bigger turbo.
We're gonna order G45,
Big dog.
2000cc ID injectors. We got another motor. We'll put it in.
We are working on the valve cover for clearance.
Yeah,
of
we
the
we
head.
can do the valve cover too.
Yes.
Ooh,
make
animal.
time.
He's
Animal.
an
Just so y'all know.
animal.
Rawr.
So y'all know.
Just so you know.
That's Hunter.
That's Hunter.
AKA
The animal.
Yes.
Thanks, Grant.
Special thank you to
Chase Bays.
Chase
Bays.
Bays.
And the man line himself.
Thanks for making me look cool.
Michael. Yeah, dude.
Thank you.
I hope everybody thinks it was you that blew it up.
It was. He was my passenger the whole weekend, by the
Yeah.
way.
I was watching her.
Just so you know.
special guest, Colin Wang Diaz.
Colin Diaz. Also,
you go first.
a Jurassic Park nerd like me. Friends.
Are we brothers?
We're brothers. Good day, mama.
Oh,
I want to thank Chase Bays for having this event. It was the best track I think I've ever been on, and thanks for
Definitely one of the dopest
the
tracks.
ride along, Chase, Grant, Jackson, Colin, everybody.
Everyone.
Everybody did an amazing job. I'm so proud of the AK family here
Absolutely.
for hanging
Thank you,
together,
thank you.
supporting each other,
Gang, gang.
making us. I'm really proud of everyone and how hard they work.
Good stuff.
You to Hannah.
Oh yeah.
Kids.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I
Hannah.
love you, Hannah.
Thank you, Hannah. Thank you.
You say something jiffy.
Yeah. Hefe.
You just
Car
got
guy
that
Hefe.
Our guy Hefe.
Pepe.
It was a pretty dope event. Of course, I think everybody for having me out here. Everybody treats me like family, so that's one of my first times
Oh.
Keep it together. Keep it
Oh.
Definitely 10 out of 10. Shed a tear.
Gio.
Seal.
Gio.